Today, I'm diving into the science behind this miracle cure that claims to heal over 100 diseases in just 3 minutes. Can it really work? Let's find out. The idea of a single cure being able to heal over 100 diseases in just a few minutes sounds too good to be true. Yet, it's something that has captured the attention of many people suffering from chronic conditions. The potential impact on lives could be enormous, offering hope where conventional treatments have failed. There's always a healthy dose of skepticism when it comes to miracle cures. Many have been discredited, leaving people wary of making false hopes. For those suffering from chronic diseases, the emotional and physical toll is immense. They often find themselves jumping from one treatment to another, searching for something that works. The quest for a miracle cure is driven by desperation. People are looking for solutions that can provide relief without the side effects of conventional medicine. This desperation makes them vulnerable to scams, but it also drives innovation. The challenge is finding a solution that truly works. This miracle cure claims to be different, backed by some level of scientific research and numerous testimonials. It suggests that by targeting the root cause of diseases, it can heal a wide range of conditions. The method it uses is supposed to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. The cure involves a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes a day. It's non-invasive and claims to have no side effects, making it appealing to those who have exhausted other options. One story that stands out is of a person who was bedridden for years with a chronic condition. After trying this cure, they reported a significant improvement in their health. Stories like these are compelling and encourage others to try the cure. The story isn't just about individual successes. There's also scientific evidence supporting the cure's effectiveness. Studies have shown that the method used can stimulate healing in various parts of the body. Hearing about these successes raises questions about how something so simple could have such a profound impact. It challenges conventional thinking about health and healing. To wrap up, the idea of a miracle cure that can heal over 100 diseases in just 3 minutes is intriguing. While it's essential to approach such claims with a critical eye, the potential benefits are undeniable. If you're curious about holistic approaches to health, check out our video on natural remedies for chronic pain. Share your thoughts in the comments below.